I'm Bubba from the Bubba Rock Meat Company. Today we're going to do an Italian chicken mozzarella. I'll show you how I do it. We're going to use the Italian seasoning and the pizza and pasta seasoning. I have my chicken breasts on my cutting board. What I like to do, since these breasts are big, I like to thin them down so they'll cook evenly. You don't have to be fancy on how you cut them, just get them about the same thickness. Alright, so I have them pretty close to the same thickness. And give them a good shake of the old Italian seasoning. Now if you want, you can actually use our breading and bread them first. I'm going to actually do these on the Ninja air cooker, so we're not going to bread them. And I add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. I'm going to let them sit until the Ninja gets up to temperature, and I'll bring it back, show you what we'll do next. Chicken's about halfway done. Now we just got to flip it real quick. And we're going to use a little bit of pizza and pasta seasoning. Just give it a little bit of a dusting. Build some more flavor. Back in the Ninja cooker. I'll bring it back when it's done. Alright, our chicken is done. Now all we have to do is top it with some cheese. Let it go for about 15-20 seconds. We'll pull it out and we'll put the finishing touches on it. Alright, our chicken mozzarella is done. Let me pull it out, show you the finished product. All we have to do is top it with a little bit of our homemade Bubba Rock tomato sauce, and there you have it, folks. Italian chicken mozzarella made with the Bubba Rock seasoning. Remember guys, like us on Facebook, join us on Twitter, subscribe to our channel, and you'll see more of this. Enjoy.